What's wrong with you, little guy? Wow. Just let me walk all the way up to him. You okay? You okay? Huh? What's the matter? You get stuck? He's cold. Let's see if I can grab him. Here, come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. Oh, right here, right here. No, right here, right here. Here, come here. Come on, stand on my warm hand. Stand on my warm hand. There you go. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. See, that's pretty good. Yeah. You okay? Get your feet all de-thawed, huh? There you go. I'm gonna put you in a nice warm place. Huh? Nice warm place.